Now, lifting and potting up snowdrops and bringing them in as pot plants is a lovely thing to do to brighten up your house at this time of the year. Now, they seem to fare much better if you dig them up in midwinter in the green than if they plant them as dry bulbs in the autumn. So this is how you do it. Now, choose a clump that's either already in flower or is showing the white buds, because you want a good show. Once it's out, they're quite deep, the bulbs, so like that. Make sure you do a little bit of tidying up around here, so they're going to fit into the pot you've chosen for them. Just rinse the tops of them just a little bit under cold running water here, so they look nice and pristine in their pot. So I like to use a pot that's just a little bit deeper than the root ball, so they don't get sort of lost in a very big pot. And it's just a question now of settling these in here, filling in around the edge. I always think it looks quite pretty if you then top dress it with just a little bit of moss that you've taken from a stone around the garden. Now, in this process, you're not really forcing these to flower any earlier. It's just that you're in a pot, you're able to bring them indoors for that, if you're having people to lunch or a coffee or something like that, just so you can sit and appreciate them. And some snowdrops actually have a lovely scent, so it's very nice to see them close up. But I'd actually be keeping this pot either outside or in a cold greenhouse until those few hours when I want to bring it in. And then when they've finished flowering, again, I would pot them outside to die down again naturally in their sort of normal climate. Now, I found that actually I can keep them in their pots for a couple of years, and they will still flower nicely for you when you bring them in January. But these ones have been in now for 3 years, and although 1 or 2 of the pots are still responding by putting out flowers, these ones I can see they're coming up, the leaves are coming up, but no flowers, so they're blind. So with these pots, I'm going to plant these back in the garden now to sort of bulk up a little bit and sort of re-nourish themselves in proper garden soil for a few years before I contemplate digging those up again. So do have a go at digging up a few of these dainty little flowers, either just on the kitchen windowsill for your own pleasure, as a table decoration, or actually they make a very nice, sustainable little gift for someone as well. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to our channel and follow our blog at the3growbags.com.